My topic is on process creation. So I have been given a program problem. So the first problem given to me is I have to create a child process. In that child process, I have to do these three operations. That is, I have to read two numbers and do the sum. And the first child should find that it is an amicable pair. And the third is the child two should find a GCD of two numbers. So this is my program which I have written in C. So in this main, I have declared few variables and I am typing the first number. I am entering the second number and it is inputting that values, first and second values. And here I am adding those two numbers. Now I have used a fork system call that I am assigning into parent process variable. In fork system, automatically the child process will be created and the child process contains initially at first 0, and in parent process the child process id will be stored. So I am checking whether my parent process is less than 0, then it will print that fork failed for the child. Otherwise, if it is equal to 0, it will run two loops. That is, first loop I equal to say I equal to 1 and I is less than the number which I am entering, and it will do the modulus operation, and if it is proper and the remainder coming as 0, then I will add the I with the sum of a value. Sum of a I have assigned as 0, and similarly for second number also I am doing the same, and I am comparing that if my sum b and sum a is present, then it is an amicable number. Actually, amicable number means if you find the first numbers GCD, the first numbers divisors sum should be equal to the second number, and the second number sum should be equal to the first number. Then it is known as amicable numbers or amicable pairs. So in else part, I've used a wait. In wait, I'm again parent process. I'm using fork system call, and I am checking if it is less than 0, it will print that fork failed, and if it is equal to parent process equal to 0, then I am finding the GCD by using the logic that I equal to 1, and that number, first number, I am dividing by 2, and in both the modulus, if it is equal to 0, and that I value will be stored into GCD, and at last it will print. So this else is for creating the second child, and at last it will wait and print that the parent process has been finished. So let me run and show you the code. This is a C program, so I have to compile it by using CC. A.out. They are asking me to enter the first number, second number, just finding the sum and returning the GCD as 1. Now let us see the second program. I have to create a child and a grandchild. That I have to concatenate this into a single string, and the first child should do uppercase and the grandchild should reverse the string. So I'll go to my code. Let's see. So here also C program. What I am doing is I am entering a string, and it will check if it is not equal to null, then I will get the character by character and store it into a variable ch, and if my ch, this operation, this ch is assigned to an AA array, it will do till then new line comes and it will increment my I. But initially a of I will be null, and character also null, and I am initializing as 0. When I type the second string, again the same thing is going to happen, but it is storing in BB array. Then I am using a concatenation function that it will concatenate both the strings. Now it will print me the string concatenation, of the both AA and BB arrays, and I'm calling my for function so that my child process can convert it into uppercase string. For that, if it is less than 0, the fork child is failed, and if it is equal to 0, the string is uppercase. It will tell by using to upper function, else it again I will create another process for the grandchild. If it is less than 0, it will print that the fork failed for grandchild, and if it is equal to 0, that string length of array -1 I am assigning it to a length. With that length, it is checking, doing the reverse operation using this for loop logic, and is printing my a of 5 array. And at last it will, or else it will wait. And let us see the working of first string I am entering. I am good boy. So what it will do is it will convert, the child will convert it into uppercase, and my reverse string will reverse the string, that the grandchild will reverse the string. So thank you.